How to buy KARTEL token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on buy this token, go and check Direct's account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created, as you can see, 22 hours ago, and increased by 6,000% in the last 24 hours. And also, this token trending number 9 in the page section. Now, to be able to buy this token, just click here to copy the token address and open your Bitcoin wallet for that or any wallet that you use. Now, go to your wallet first. Select the base as a network first. Now click on plus icon to add this token to your wallet and paste token address in the search bar. As you can see, this is our token. Now click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet and go back to your wallet. And now search for your token until you find it. As you can see, our token called KARTEL. Now click on it. Now here, click on swap, switch from here. From the top, you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and now you can type how much you want to buy, and this is how much you will be able to receive that token, as you can see here. After that, click here on swap, and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy KARTEL token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.